everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Let me log into the server. As you can see, the operating system I installed does not show it in full screen. To fix this, click the VM option, and then install VMware tools. It will take some time to mount the VMware tools ISO. Click the notification and select Run Setup.exe. Install VMware tools as the default process. After the installation process is complete, the server must be restarted. As you can see, the full screen problem is now fixed. All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comment section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.